Tama, talk to me now. Are you not even noticing me?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I'm sorry now. I will not come back late again now.
Don't do whatever it is that you want to do on your life. Do it. Don't touch me.
Something that happened 3 days ago. You are still angry. Should have said I'm sorry now. Shebi is there about Shashama yesterday.
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry now.
Stop touching me. Leave me alone. That place that you know that she's better for you, that you will go, you will not come back on this house on time. Be going there. What are you doing here?
Is you that?
What are you doing here?
I came back.
You went out. You know that you left a woman. Why would you go out? You left a woman and then you come back late. That your presence, they are more important to you, Ko?
No, it is Chikube that said we should just stay
and
watch.
Who is Chikube? Go and meet him. Leave me alone. Don't touch me. Kuma, I don't want to see you. You are not doing anything on me for here.
I got you flower yesterday and I apologized. My tamamu.
Every time somebody will be making me to be angry. Every time I will be angry. Wait, I'm looking for something. I don't know where I can.
My tamamu. I'm sorry now. Should I have been begging you since? Should I sing for you? Hi, my tamamu.
Leave me alone. I'm looking for something. I don't know where I kept it. Leave me alone. I want to be alone. I have always been alone on this house. Let me continue to be alone.
What would I do to make you forgive me? Should I
go back to where you come from?
Let me entertain you.
I don't need your
name. Look at a good man for me. That's it. Because I will not come back late again now. It's just that you could say let's just stay and drink one.
You are talking on my ear. Leave me alone.
I'm sorry now.
Leave me alone. I said leave me alone, mana. She's dole that I will listen to you.
You are the love of my life.
I love it.
You are the love of my life, Aisha Mo. You are the love of my life, Aisha.
Let me go and drink water.
You are the love of my life, Aisha Mo. Aisha Mo.
Oh, then come leave me alone, man. Leave me alone.
I'm sorry now.
I don't want your sorry. Your sorry is not going to make me to change my mind. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, Haba. You are sorry. What am I going to do with your sorry? I shall chop your sorry. Every time man like you go out, you leave your woman, she's on home. You leave her alone. Who else she's done that? Men that have said she's going to do that.
Please check your GTB bank.
You will go out as if you don't have cushions on your head. You leave only a woman on house. You go out to meet men. Those men, they are more.
Check your GT again.
Those men, they are more important than I am. Why will men have this stupid attitude? Kumani, I already told you that I don't like it.
Check your balance.
You just want me to be talking to you. I just don't want to talk to you. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Check your.
Leave me alone, Is it by part that I will forgive you? Huh? But you know I don't like all these things that you are doing. I like it that you are going to be on this house every time with me. I look at you and I see you. I like it like that. It is not every time that you'll be making my heart. She's going to rest.
Be checking.
Kai, you just know how to make me happy. My
tamam. My tamam.
I forgive you. What you wrote? You finished doing it.
Yeah?
You finished doing it.
I finished doing what? I'm finished now. It is finished. Do you want me to? Because I stayed out late, you want me to now exhaust all my account on it? She is saying you have forgiven me. You have forgiven. Go and give me my food. Go and give me my food. My time. We don't leave. Oh why? Money. Money answereth all things. Money. It's in the Bible. Money. If your wife no one forgive you, may transfer. There, yeah. But then the big mood because